So my homestay owner, he knows the service center owner, so he gave him a call, and I'm hoping the service will be done properly and quickly. Let's see. रॉयल एनफील्ड का शोरूम का लोकेशन रॉयल एनफील्ड के मैप में ही गलत दिखा रहा है। भैया रॉयल एनफील्ड का सर्विस सेंटर मालूम है किधर है?
रॉयल एनफील्ड का?
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा हाँ, वो रिलायंस वाला वही ना? यहाँ से जा सकता है? हाँ अच्छा ठीक, हाँ ठीक है, ओके थैंक यू। ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं। ये ओ भाई सर्विस हाँ शरद चंद्रन। मैंने विकास जी से बात किया था, 5199। ठीक है चलो जाओ। Just finished 5,000 kilometer service in Jammu, and so the 5,000 kilometer service doesn't include oil change. I told them to change it, and the oil was quite bad. I think everyone should change it every 5,000 kilometer. And so we have new oil, new oil filter, and I think I've been pressing on the rear brake unnecessarily, and then the brake pad is completely gone, so that also I had to change. So altogether around 4,300 rupees for the service. Then they told me they have tubeless spoke rims in stock. So I wasn't sure whether I should change it. I was quite tempted. Then they gave me a discount. I think it was around 40 something before. They gave me for like 32k. Then I was sold, because it's a lot of peace of mind. If there is a puncture, I can fix it myself, or anyone can fix it with very minimum effort. And yeah, the peace of mind is most important. So 32k for that, and then the old ones I couriered back home, and the courier was expensive actually. 3k for the courier. Altogether, bad day for pockets, good day for peace of mind, and it's all washed, looking brand new. That's the service. People are not very friendly at the beginning, obviously. You start making conversations, tell them your story, and then slowly they start believing in your journey, and then they'll be very happy to help you. And yeah, that's what I did, and it went really well. All the guys were super nice. Wonderful experience overall. It took me the whole day because I changed the rim, so they have to remove it, take it to a tire shop, then they will put the tire. All that took a bit of time, and yeah, altogether a happy day. And spending time in the Royal Enfield showroom is always, in any workshop is always fun.
बैंड भी हुआ
अच्छा,
हुआ ना
पता नहीं कैसे।
ये भी नहीं खड्डे में तो
गड्ढे में इतना हो सकता है।
ऐसे लगता है
इसमें नहीं होगा ना, इतना गड्ढे में गिरेगा तो।
जैसे आप
डिपेंड करता है
कैसा गड्ढा है।
स्पीड कितनी है खड्डे में गिरने की।
So I didn't have to really use the I know the owner card. They were nice otherwise, so that's good. I think you have to make it good. You have to put some effort from your side, and then it'll be good. Oh Raja ji, ting, oh Raja ji, ting. So I picked up my laundry, $300, 15 pieces. It's like 4 of them are balaklavas. Rajaji, Rajaji, Rajaji. Yeah. Bhari mistake. हो गया सर्विस चमक रही है